Do you have a high-flow, large-diameter pipeline that needs to be cleaned and you're tired of paying rebates or discounts to end users for reduced flow or even downtime? Well, then you need to hear about the Inline Speed Control tool. Our speed control tool is a cleaning and gauging tool that was built for large diameter, high flow, natural gas or liquid pipelines. It's offered in sizes 24-inch through 48-inch. Our speed control tool has been engineered and developed to allow operators to maintain normal flow rates without interruption during cleaning and gauging runs.
The speed control tool, in short, can maintain and control its own speed throughout a run by controlling the flow with bypass. The speed parameters can be determined by the customer based on whatever cleaning application is needed. This solution allows maintained flow rates and effective cleaning. The bypass, which allows flow, also provides an elevated cleaning solution. The bypass flow rate suspends liquid and debris ahead of the tool in a turbulent motion, allowing the cleaning elements on the tool to perform as intended during the run.
Some common uses of the speed control tool are pre-ILI cleaning, chemical cleaning, gauging runs, and routine maintenance cleaning, which in most of these scenarios, gas control has little, if any, involvement.
The speed control tool is adaptable to meet any cleaning configuration desired. It can be outfitted with different configurations of discs, cups, brushes, magnets, gauge plate, or even our smart gauge plate technology. It can also be outfitted to tow a second cleaning tool configuration, reducing the amount of cleaning runs needed. Other tools can also be towed, such as MFL, caliper, and other additional ILI technologies, just to name a few. Another great addition to any speed control run is our debris mapping tool. The debris mapping tool can also be towed and is used to serve as a verification device for how clean your pipeline is, allowing you the ability to dictate the amount of cleaning your pipeline needs.
To date, we have completed over 230 speed control cleaning runs with a 98% success rate. Over 16,000 miles of pipeline have been cleaned to date using the Inline Speed Control tool. With the Speed Control tool cleaning program implemented, our customers in the last 18 months have seen savings in the millions of dollars due to the ability of bypassing flow while maintaining optimal cleaning speed.
All that being said, the Speed Control cleaning tool gives you the ability to get the most out of your cleaning run, saving you time and money while providing greater pipeline integrity and peace of mind.
Thank you, and remember, if you have a pipeline integrity scenario, Inline Services has a solution.